we're going to do is we're just going to set our lower receiver, lower part of the frame off to the side. And here we have the slide. We have our guide rod here, as you can see, and our recoil spring. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just pop out that guide rod. And it just seats right inside the front part of the slide here. And as you can see, it was that simple. You know, we can put it right back in, seat it, put it, take it right back out. And just on a note, if you happen to take this spring off the guide rod, which you can, there's no issue with doing that, as you'll notice this spring has a little bit of color on about the first 3 or 4 coils of this spring. Now what this color lets you know is this color always seats to the back of the guide rod. It's just a helpful hint that Sig has done and most other firearm companies do. So next thing we're going to do after that is just simply take the barrel out.